up, everybody? Welcome back to Boosted Behavior. Today, we're going to show you all my father's little red SS clone, baby.
Heck
Pretty
yeah.
sweet, ain't it,
Oh,
Rob?
it's awesome. I love
Sucker
it.
sharp, dude. It's a 06, I believe.
Yeah.
06, short wheelbase, regular cab. Interior looks awesome. Got a cow induction hood. You all know what that means. If it's got a cow induction hood, it's fast. Ain't that what it means, Rob?
That's exactly what it
I think
means.
it's got 20s on it. It's got a 5.3 and got a Chopacaba, something like that. I think that's how you say
Right.
it. Takes a speed cam. Got a 3200 stall converter ordered. No, it's actually came in already.
Yeah, it's in.
Yeah, I'm gonna put new lifters, put all kinds of cool stuff in it. But it's a real sweet truck. Y'all got to check it out. With the old SS clone bumper on it.
Yeah, I love it.
Oh, it's sweet, ain't it, dude?
Oh, yeah. Good ride
Full
height and
bed
everything.
cover. Yeah, awesome truck.
Right.
All we got to do now is make it a hot rod.
Heck yeah.
What do you think about it, Rob?
I love this
Got
truck.
the cool mirrors on it.
Oh, yeah, the small, skinny ones.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh, it's
baby.
good. It's a good looking. And the way this roll pan's done, like,
Yeah,
they
isn't that cool?
molded that in there with
I'm
it.
not for sure if the paint's quite as nice as my little bird turd
Right.
truck, but it's all right.
Everything can't be
Yeah,
that nice,
you
right.
know. Oh, yeah, I like it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, exhaust comes out the side and
Yeah,
stuff.
but he don't like that. He's wanting to change that.
Right?
But as of right now,
Yeah.
we'll have to do it before and after.
Oh,
Because,
yeah.
like, he's wanting to change the exhaust, and we'll have to do an after with that big cam.
Yeah. We'll keep you guys posted on it for sure.
Yeah. Well, check out the inside. It's sweet.
Oh, it's nice. Super nice. Boop. Clean. Super clean. You don't find them in this good a shape very often. And with such a good looking driver.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Heck yeah. Pretty sweet, little 5.3.
Oh, yeah.
Got some cool new headlights in it already.
Yep.
Man, I like it.
It's super
Cool little
sharp.
truck, ain't it?
Oh, for sure.
Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is an awesome little truck that my
it.
dad just got. Sweet little SS clone. We got all the stuff we already told you, the cam and cool stuff, and we're kind of thinking about putting a supercharger on it.
Maybe sneak it on there some
Oh,
weekend when you
yeah,
ain't paying
dude,
attention.
yeah. But it is a really sweet truck. We had to put a video out to show y'all what we got. It's awesome.
Yeah, I love it.
Another Chevy in the stable,
Heck
baby. Yeah. As soon as I get mine going, then we're going to do some cruise ins,
yes,
baby.
Buddy.
Oh, it's going to be awesome. I can't wait, dude. It is too cool. What do you think about it, Rob?
I love it. It's a sweet truck.
Sweet little
Super
truck.
sweet truck.
Oh, yeah. And so, dude, we looked at a bunch of them. And this one, especially for the money, dude, definitely the best deal we found. Really, really nice truck. So,
it is clean. It's clean, sharp, straight.
Yeah, now we got to do is sneak it out when Dad ain't watching.
Right.
Do some burnouts,
Heck
baby. Oh, yeah. Get some smoke coming off the tires. It's going to be real cool with that cam, that stall, dude. Just the stall alone is going to help it a bunch.
Right, yeah.
Like, it's unreal how much the stall is going to help.
We'll definitely keep you guys updated on it. You'll get some more footage of it.
I say we put you in the back of this little Toyota. That way we can get some rollers.
Let's do it.
Come on, baby.